Ready to get that summer glow? Welcome back to Ree Beauty Talks, where we're all about enhancing your natural radiance. Today, we're exploring the essentials of a summer skincare routine. So buckle up and dive into the world of summer skincare with us. First up, sunscreen is your best friend in summer. It's essential to choose a broad-spectrum SPF. This will protect your skin from harmful UV rays, preventing premature aging and sun damage. Reapply every 2 hours, particularly if you're outdoors. Keep that sunscreen handy. Next, remember, hydration is key. Quench your skin's thirst by drinking ample water throughout the day. Complement this with a lightweight, water-based moisturizer to lock in hydration without a greasy feel. Remember, when you hydrate inside, you glow outside. Now let's talk cleansing. Summer can lead to oiliness and clogged pores. It's crucial to cleanse twice daily with a gentle, non-stripping product. Stay clear of harsh exfoliants which may irritate your sun-kissed skin and cause sensitivity. Keep it gentle and clean. Moving on, it's time to lighten up. Embrace the summer vibe with lightweight, oil-free or gel-based skincare products. They'll hydrate without overwhelming your skin. Products with high hyaluronic acid are a bonus, offering deep hydration without heaviness. Light and breezy does it. Don't forget, your lips need love too. Just like your skin, they require shielding from the sun. A lip balm with SPF is a stellar investment, ensuring your pout remains soft, supple, and damage-free. Plus, it's an excuse for a glossy summer look. Give your lips the care they deserve. And that wraps up our summer skincare tips. In summary, remember to protect with sunscreen, hydrate thoroughly, cleanse gently, opt for lightweight formulas, and don't forget those lips. Consistency is the secret to achieving that radiant summer glow. If you found value in this video, show your support by giving it a thumbs up, subscribing, and sharing it with others. Stay beautiful and keep glowing with Ree Beauty Talks.